This is MVP crane, which is very fun to play with. And but it's a little bit difficult to control the arms and move the things around. And but if you practice it, a few times, then you'll be able to do move the things around. You may find it, kind of strange looking, different from the manual. It has the ultrasonic sensor in the front. I think I'm going to use it for the other purposes, like the self-driving vehicle that I'm going to show in the next, demo. And also, I'm using the color sensor to read the colors in the ground level. So it's a little bit tricky to hold the things and move it kind of downward, which I'm going to do it a little bit after. Finally, I succeeded in holding the stuff and back a little bit and maybe turn right a little bit, go forward, then try to place it within the rectangle. Now I think it succeeded. Uh-oh. Okay, the back up. I think it succeeded. Thank you for viewing. Bye-bye.